All right, thank you for stopping in. Today I wanted to profile Niobe, a character from Stranger Comics. If you're up on it, very interesting character. She is, at the end of it, she is a human elf hybrid, is what she is. She's half elf. And she manifests a lot of pretty amazing powers. Right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, if you're not up on this character, it's definitely worth taking a peek at. Now, what I really like about this character, she's got extremely high combat skills. Very skilled in archery, swordsmanship, and stealth. But overall, her physical abilities are about as high as a highly trained human or elf could be. So she's not exceptionally strong. What is it that makes her very powerful is she has a connection to the divine or the spiritual world or spiritual forces. Right off the bat, where she's at right now takes her to at least a superhuman level. Right, so I've got her ranked at a 3, knowing that she has to grow into these abilities. That the prediction is that she would ascend to fully having godlike abilities once she reaches adulthood and masters her abilities. So this is where she is. Right now she's dealing with her youth, her inexperience, and her emotions are kind of keeping her grounded in terms of where her power level could be. But I definitely feel really good about right now about hitting her with that 3. I think quickly we'll see her ascend up higher as they start to manifest and develop this character more. If you know a little bit about this character and you want to drop some more info in the comment section, please do so as always, and please hit that like and subscribe.